Mm, Ana Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Shri Saraswati Namostute. I am Dr. Pantula Rama. I am a musician and I sing the Carnatic music genre. I am from Vizag. So my stint with music has not been something different from my life because music has always been my way of life. I belong to a family of musicians. So my parents are both musicians and my first guru is my father, Sri Pantula Gopala Rao. And after I finished my plus two, because I had to choose between medicine and music, I had gotten into medicine and now I had to make this choice, a full-time career in music or medicine, and I chose music. So I had my advanced training from Sri Ivaturi Vijayeshwar Rao, who is also from Vizag. Now we have also started a no barrier movement called Para the Supreme, mainly focus on spreading the awareness to quality music, and we have a very good team working with us for this. So that's pretty much my journey in a nutshell, I would say. My formal training began when I was 4 years old. Outside of Andhra Pradesh, my first concert was at Bilaspur, Madhya Pradesh, impressing the audience. Are also excited about what you have learned, and everything is so new. And music is also something that, takes you into a new world every moment with every note. So it was really thrilling at that point of time. I started with a piece called Varnam. There is something called Varnam in Carnatic music. So I began the concert with a Varnam then. So everything about music is really joyful. All the emotions in it. When I perform in front of a very receptive audience, that gives me a lot of joy. There's somebody who comes up to me and says, or when I'm performing, your music has a healing effect on me. You've changed my life forever because of this music. Small kid comes up and tells me that this is very inspiring to me and I'm going to do something in future. All this is really joyful. And also later when I got married, my husband is a very famous musician too. He's one of the top ranking violinists of this country. So we perform a lot together. There are challenges always. Yeah, I started teaching also very young. Now they are in all parts of the world, India, abroad, UK, US, all places. Of course, we are strict with them sometimes. We are critical when we have to teach them, correct them. But we try to open up the world for them in many ways. As Tyagaraja says, Tarasa Samadhana Bheda Dandopayam. So whatever it takes, whatever it takes to put them on the right path. So my relationship with a sari, draping a sari is something very special than wearing any other dress, because it involves draping it around you. I think there's a lot of love involved in that action. So, and it is so customized to your body, to your personality. And when it comes to me, Carnatic music, generally concerts, people wear saris. So women wear lots of saris for every concert, and it's really beautiful to be selecting a sari for a concert, because you will be thinking of a lot of things. The context of the concert, the background that you might be having, and your mood, the weather, a lot of things. And personally, I don't wear silk for ahimsa reasons. So I prefer cottons, jutes, linens, or anything else which is not. So that leaves me with, sometimes, it's a challenge to get the right kind of sari for an on-stage performance. But for a concert, it is always a sari, and it's very comfortable. So when you talk about sari, it's all about the comfort zone that we are in physically or mentally. And there are many things for which we need to break out of those comfort zones. It's all a matter of habit. So when we see history, we see these period movies or period TV shows or theatre. So we see people wearing saris, even men wearing saris with lovely drapes, different kind of drapes. It's really beautiful to see them with all the jewelry and with the accessorization. It's really nice. So why not? When it is so beautiful. The beauty of a sari is it can be customized in any which way you want, depending on your mood, the theme, or whether it's a festival or context. So it grants you a sense of freedom. You can do whatever you want with it. It's not a stitched garment.